Evanston. We got Schindler's. It's the Hilton Garden Inn in Evanston. Get a look at the hotel floor quickly. Oh wow. Oh, it goes across this way. I was gonna say, there's barely any rooms here. No, it goes down. I think we might have lost our elevator.
That is a weird.
What number do I look for?
What number is it?
This thing is breaking off. Jesus. Portable charger fell out my pocket. Don't want to lose that. Quickly, let's see the certificate. All right. Anyway, hold on. Let me out of here. Something smells nice out here.